aggression is what I like to call fear in disguise. And the reason that that's important is because, well, at least one of the reasons that's important is because it helps us to relax into empathy as opposed to spiraling into our own anxiety about our kids' anxiety or their horrible behaviors. So just understanding, okay, wow, this child is pick a behavior, coming at me, hitting his brother, whatever it is. Okay, uh, is there fear in there? Is this a scared child as opposed to a bad child? Because if in my mind, I'm looking at that scenario of my one kid hitting his brother and thinking, oh my God, what the heck is wrong with this kid? Or what is wrong with me that I've created such a monster? All the things that we do, then it's really, really, really hard to help them because we can't help anybody, our kids included, from a place of worry. But if I'm in a place of like, oh gosh, there must be really be something going on with him. Like I think he's something has scared his system. Then I can sort of ease into a place of empathy and think to myself, what can I do to comfort and help and support this fearful child?